dia na do ba ha
a me fa fom
nananum hwe obama nananum wo fom beti ya yegu so te
sam me as me fa fom ade
nananum se dia na do be pie ha
nana dedi kan mo atena si
DL News.
It's DLFM 106.9.
Yes, accident yes, sorry by the Bible do the free police former police force by. And in an say, on that grace, don't really be. Now you have power, so you have to cheap power. Now, on all free, Masi, Coalition, I have a Jacob was. The rent, when you say, or no, or be the high now, didn't a fool, your mom, but they're full. Oh, baby, or more, a Beshakufi. Yes, what do was a crazy answer. Take careful, all the teacher, that can't be one of my son. I want to die. Now, low bed, Takasabia, a fat excavator is Ribi, and also every was your Bessiaco Kumasi. And that machine beer so it is not drama, or only according to eyewitnesses, none or HM and that I have drama, and that I have drama, and the Takasiano tries obesive woman, but still not or cut back the beer, Takasiano one. And also, it's how low bed is not Nechino, Natamano, it Atabano, and a car, Trotona, a Timmy, Edisa, Unikisi, by a park, the Swingina, a man, Nipabi, Tabaninu, and an Akraba also counts slow. Nakana, Casanini Pana in a name.
It's DLFM 106.9.
Enquires will see what Hamachin, Nipa Makum, you know, when you never. Any part for no, 2 a woo, Miruna can be a modern, a more than power boise. I will hope about Facebook, Miss DLFM 106.9. Yet if you do not to super Benjamin or Babe, I will go, said you can't at Tiano. Hey! Mundai Grace, Mini Basso. Almost what the funeral baby no dear from Honia Michael. Nation can you take a moon or tonku? And I can't free the council. ene just a Shackman a trailer na kwa siema make say Shankanina wopi car we no
one said there be ano aya no mutu a drivers for ne for sale o hwana wa bra park na je wa ho me kakra na wale kuma den na wo kwa drive
hwese de ka ya tete aye
uko de defun so wawu nti wale be de dan nyonko
se fun ni o si na se ayi engwanheri si ahamache nti fun na me se mo de dan meme na twa mu yi no de fun wie na okọ na fun so afra na ene na akọ ato na nanom onse de no se
eya papa
se kobra ne wanyale na ho wakofa ka okọ adwuma ba okọ ya wa mabio bra Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 ya de picture na to so ba be hu se de ka na tete aye se ka fon bi na yetu omofa o muntie ni wa bra pa ba bi na tena sikasia na abaje nti wo de won kwa
Kwadwo itu dide fun yi wie ye no obetimi ada na ade achi ana ka watu kwan na ka wo fie na homachi na wose wo nko fie
yakopon hu yembo wa sika
Kwadwo yenso akase ebone so na national security operators for akwa hu ye counterfeit sika any suspected gold bars bi e wa ye 1220 full shipping containers mo a omuchire ma ya ade a warehouse bi e wa sapema e wa ye ga south municipality ni ma omuchire ma ya ade abone e koso ye wo papa na bro omukoye omu inspection omu hu ye fake US dollars a omode ahihye ye wooden boxes mu ade asie e wa cement mu sane ebe ya obi biara entimi wu saa so na omu hu ye counterfeit e Ghana cedis note no saa na ye soldiers for uniforms ani omu boot ni nso no ya ade a omatimi ade bi ahyehye hono ma chese senkomu kodi omu bone ana koma hye uniform ni boot na ndi ohu ma obeka se ye military for nti no ukrampo no hu ma obetimi adwane nti saa na omu ye wo hono authorities chema ye containers mienu ne de omu nsa entimi nka ma omu nyenhwehwemu nti omu obo omu modi anso betimi ehu containers mienu no ma hwehwe ne ewomu na bra eye omu ko honom no omu ye omu special mu hu se eye nipa nan ana hye sa adwumade ya se a ring leader odi omanim aye frɛ no eye Alhaji ana omu chese ye national security for ne bo omu homodi anso me yenhwehwemu na nipa nan ye omu hye ye boni ya se no ombetimi enya wom se ne be ye ombe ma amra no eni omadi ye papa nti abra eye nsem omu ne nsem trofo atwetwe komo na executive secretary the my importers and exporters association ye Samson Asake ye Awingobet ade nsem we etudwa
so ye exporter ye will be a resident officer and all your custom officer most of them to narcotics controls officers special loading them na so mo nema potia over loading nti we load we are ye will seal sir o made two container no all export boxes are scanned and all import boxes are scanned at scan no there were custom officers about picking images no so say what the images that they are seeing no based on documentation custom documentation now they might go further investigation by opening the container to see what exactly is into that container. And so I can tell the container now national security are able to intercept now. It is a very real finicky. It means from the custom of from the point of loading no, the shipping line might not be aware because most of the time no shipping document no they will catch you no, that's what they will sign you onto. To see what you are loading. But if they are mounting surveillance on you, and you say, I do like one container, two container, three
DLFM 106.9.
So the officers there could have informed Ghanaian officers. So based on surveillance, no, when we catch you say a tip off, no, either based on the surveillance that they mounted till they get them, or they will do an officer, no, or let kind of say, this one let me inform national security so that they can try to know where these containers are getting to. Well, they have come to see some officers at the port, so they have arrived, but the Jabia or we bet to my
Eni auti ye executive secretary the my importers and exporters association Samson Asake Awingobet
yentu akase bosia fi ani fanchire mo
By way of quick numbers, and these are very important numbers, we received 1,493 calls through the toll-free line, 1,493. We also received 924 emails. Fortunately, all of these calls are recorded automatically, and all the emails have also been preserved for verification and validation. So in total, the number of complaints received amounts to 2,417. So those who had any doubt about how relevant and how timely the president's intervention was at the time, this is your evidence. 2,417 complaints received. Where will all of these people have gone if President Mahama had not set up the oral preparatory team? So President Mahama has been vindicated. It was a masterstroke. It was the right decision for our country, and it has deepened transparency and accountable governance. Over the last 53 days, we have reviewed these petitions. 44 were received directly from civil society organizations and other public-spirited citizens. 59 of the 230 cases reviewed containing the documents we'll be submitting today were cases that had come up during the period the NDC was in opposition. But we decided to go back to those matters and carry out a detailed review, and all of those are contained. So today we will be presenting a summary of these reports, 230 of them, which have been analyzed in greater detail. By way of quick numbers, and these are very important numbers, we received 1,493 calls through the toll-free line, 1,493. We also received 924 emails. In total, the number of complaints received amounts to 2,417. So those who had any doubt about how relevant and how timely the president's intervention was at the time, this is your evidence. 2,417 complaints received. Where will all of these people have gone if President Mahama had not set up the oral preparatory team? So President Mahama has been vindicated. It was a masterstroke. It was the right decision for our country, and it has deepened transparency and accountable governance. Over the last 53 days, we have reviewed these petitions. 44 were received directly from civil society organizations and other public-spirited citizens. 59 of the 230 cases reviewed containing the documents we'll be submitting today were cases that had come up during the period the NDC was in opposition. But we decided to go back to those matters and carry out a detailed review, and all of those are contained. So today we will be presenting a summary of these reports, 230 of them, which have been analyzed in greater detail.
Let me proceed on the existing protocol and acknowledge all of you, especially members of the oral team. It is with great solemnity and a deep sense of duty that I receive this comprehensive report of Operation Recover All the Loot, an initiative that represents our unwavering commitment to the fight against corruption, financial malfeasance, and the misappropriation of public resources. From the onset of my administration, I made it clear that Ghana's resources belong to the people of Ghana and must be used judicially for their collective good. The diversion of public funds for personal gain undermines development, it erodes public trust, and deepens inequality. It is for this reason that Operation Recover All the Loot was launched, to ensure that what had been wrongfully taken from the state is restored to its rightful owners, the Ghanaian people. I therefore wish to commend the members of this team for their dedication and professionalism in carrying out this vital national assignment without compensation, without expectation of any remuneration. The meticulous investigations, legal actions, and asset recoveries reflected in this report are a testament to the seriousness with which this government approaches the issue of accountability and good governance. The findings of this report make for sober reading. They reveal the scale of financial leakages that have cost our nation dearly. Resources that should have been invested in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social development. But they also offer hope that through our collective efforts, we can reclaim what is ours and deter future acts of economic sabotage. As we receive this report, let me assure the Ghanaian people that the work does not end here. The recommendations of the report will be carefully studied, and where legal action and investigations are warranted, will be pursued without fear or favor. Every person recovered will be channeled back into national development. I have promptly handed over the report to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and I give him firm instructions to commence immediate investigations into the cases reported in here with a view to prosecuting anyone found liable for corruption or related offenses. To those who think they can defraud the state and escape justice, let this serve as a strong warning. Ghana is no longer a safe haven for corruption. To those who stand for integrity, accountability, and the rule of law, I assure you that this government remains your steadfast partner in building a nation where honesty and hard work are rewarded. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a defining moment in our fight against corruption. We must all play our parts, citizens, civil society, the media, and public officials alike. Together we will build a Ghana that is just, transparent, and prosperous for generations to come. I thank you, and may God bless our homeland, Ghana.
Yanto akase abone so no mampeni John Dramani Mahama abehye dia for hawa yetememfo mu wa esi okọ ene wa apue mantemu achese school for nkola no e de omonkwa eto asanyemu pa achese agi so mu twa eye nsuo ansa na makwa akosua ade nti e wo Facebook post bi o mampeni be ye na ochese e ya ade wehu hawa mo famu nina na ye community we nsu wehu to be bone ho modi asa hawa mo famu no betimi esi anokwan na odi post meto na ochese ya ade MP di Lower West Akem eye Owin Kwame Frepon akwansra hwe we ye esi okọ community no na emomo osho mo boss ya ade Eastern Regional Minister ne so be ba besra hom na emomo maka mo ho abom na maye ejima se ne be ya ohawa mo famu no omatimi esi anokọ yesanse school for nkola entimi entwa ensio enkwankosu ade nti na wo se ba ne sa nti osho mo boss ya reset Ghana agenda no obone homodi asa hawa ewa de suamu ene ayarehwemu no obebo modi anu we ye fro se ne be ya o my Ghana obi biara ebenya ne chefa or the same say etuja
Dia wona kwala na fa e de ko school. Onye se e bridge dua omabudi ato oni mo de yeden. E fa so e di see the other town. Why? Because omo fa main road ni maka e ta bobo nti ama obehye atachempa boa ye e yesin se ogu fra na ntoma. Nti e no na omo bi on omo se na omo be lusu sa na road no na omo dia get to the next town omo dia ko school. O fa se die akola na si fa so a odini ni wa share kiri a na se military e duma na oye no. Nti president me no say minister and I'm Kwanswa Kakrebino Eduna, young Pavina Yama Bridge, no, you fix a nice bridge for them. Bridge, I'm first what that say, and only alternative routine, ABC the next time. If I go schools, yeah, president, rapid response to it, minister, and I'm Kwanswa, but the can't say you want to reset Ghana, no, I mean, it's on course, yeah, reset Ghana and lower
106.9.
Ene ya uti ye mrashe bedwani e de Malowa West Akimeye Owin Kwame Frimpong. Owie na ye Eastern Regional Minister Rita Agyei Awate enso ekohia eye mo Frank Toya na omudi omunua ahyehye omachi edi twa nsuo yi a o chese ye ade en koyie kra san se ade nti na mo Frank Toya we edi ni nua be hye chire di twa nsu kasie sei esan so mo pese mo nkosua ade nti ode nsem sei etudwa
Bano amaya drinks and then say second and na ye be friend this year ye see e be caution why and I will answer allergy any wise say e be a sorry anopa ube nancy bridge so I take here and then I don't want to tell me she when it is then on best country also you may see you be I will be na ma push na mo see adie when you person you go yes problem that's all
ya wuti ye Rita Agyei Awate no na ye Eastern Regional Minister
Sikapa edema monam ya isi
ai
wow
many pa ba ko pen cramp me nam so amesuru because ebe me se meto fem
Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 for we be bio abofra we video no mu no se opese oye soja ni e di esrega na mampeni o ma na ni abofra we ye chefri se abofra we obetimi adi soja no na we kura no ebe ye bio we ko fitele ntumi fa so
ontimi
obetimi afa so ano dey oh wow abofra kukuduro hwe bia na pono kura wa kwa abofra na fa so a
ode ni nua ni church de
wow hwe wow
ayade
sika yemo yensema wo
ayade
enti empenifo mo a mama ntena ho no wa hu Ghana mpenifo no sika na munya wo hwe mo mponafo no wo di tuka ne ko hye baabi sisa Ghana sika die mo hwe baabi amofra ni bitio wo ma hwe baabi amofra ni betete sika na munya na mo bo mo na bro no mo baabi ebite ene ti se twena wo fa so mpanse batumi akọ wei se nkenso na yira kamanyi se mo fa ko batumi akọ so kra be fa wo mo kra ente ya monwene sabe won ma mo nkra sana mo bre pa ba hwe baabi amofra yi nam a wonom eco school eye anamo na Ghana man peni atune beboa nti onye na ho pa no ntuna ade beboa pa esika ye na ye homra ye ba ka se bone ya ka achi no ye beti afri hono
makwantu ho nsam eye medadwen nanso me yensam tro ne nti menya adagye ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adagye ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a emfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa ama won se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na afa krade Serbia any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etachiri ma menchire wo mo echire kwan Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier asofan a wo ben Wise Park Hotel ewo asofan new station hono mo a frɛ number 0244 291546 email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com yeti ehudie nti we connect dreams with opportunities emanenye wadwendwen frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse empo asede media
106.9.
ta o ti ma de ko ti am sma di ba ma me ani den de eyesana gamode edu da
o gwa mi ba no sunu ana mi ba ni tiamu mama e awana mi tia mi ka ba no jina mi ba ni na ni sanu so ana mi si yesu awana ma kian zam na ma ko chiri ni mini ani ni na asie tisa mi kitanu abona shoki mi sa primitrisu sa beti mi na asie mi kitanu adena ye mi krati si mi njaini sa na mi kitanu na boy bin su ni wo ura no na boy na gani aba mami ade na mi si aboy ne ba be chiri mi ba no ana apa boy na fa mi ba ni dia boa mi ni e dia ba fie e wonu obia gani aba si mami den awanwa sembe nie aboy free awia e ba den aboy free awia I ba be chiri ba no ana mi kita boy sa ne dia ba pastor chen gran adonu nti aya boy asem no ba be chiri mi
Hey.
Asem we dey pantoma.
Isem sisi o.
Petuo etufa akwachi nipa. Ne petuo si nipa. Yes is like you. As a pastor Emmanuel about home dey on.
Papa wayadi.
Asem we dey. Ko vitel akra ne yemu kra hye no.
Hey.
Ye yemre no ko yenkenka Ghana for adwene ana ne konsu kodokrom. Or say Ghana is not safe under John Dramani Mahama Ben yo yeda say. Baba Mahama boas no tiem say aban kop na aban ba nanso no otem say Ghana prison service ne de any Ghana fire service ye mu o mo ba ko kra ko pem o boss ne potem ma o kirem say nyama nko ye ba ko kra resenti bo man say Ghana man pani ye bibi fa ho na afin so ye fire tenders ahodo a wo boss ne nyina da say ya o kirem say nko ye kura si na ye da say pa we so eye gali Simon no susu na wo su ne we ko papa engwenje no bi ba petuo kwa chen nso su na wo su Richard Ahwetem say good evening to you. Pentecost said that Kwadwo Kwadwo this confirm. Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy Adwoa Agyei Sikapa se kase bono. E mo da pastor sabia no manam odifri eye battery station honum DLFM next we bie mu pa senior. Ya da se won so da bia da wo jebre na wotumi ehwe yen. Wo fa kai edifri eye kwame nkoma saka e open station o chim say. E dey na friend say ola o chim say nche kase mfa nkoma chaso 10 aka eye OT assistant secretary Greater Accra region hopeful. Na ye hajia eye Safia Mohammed, MPP National Women's Organizer who Fusina Yada Sepasa Wonso, Utumi Ede Ba Ye. Nabebe Yedre, call never from you, if it's a Yamana, a Quapanyasa, a year, a Pacamba to Yamuna Papa, Yasumi Senti, Uber to Miaba, a year operation, recover all Lutino, all our funny teams, and what you make on Madia Jessica, Sikana Betino, a Bayer 21.19 billion dollars, a bet to me the Abuana Ghana, yet not can put to. Sansem we Ghana ni wutu a wo so mu sen o se etumi disika we yapone kan kan sika ye dia yetumi ko ba bi kwaje bosia da Ghana ni wo so mu sen sama brane ni nkomo majo
menia we dey ye do ba de na se e ora fo e dia beto ho den nokre ni omo kan wom ani sikai a sebi amanfo dia ye omo ho dia we ne tintini ni tietia ne sei omonyemrai sesabi wa beka no enkyere se waji o enti omonye kwan bia wo so omofa so omo baji bia no omonye so omo anyi a yensu ye bebuta omo ai me try short obi so nto aso.
Hello, good evening. Hello. I'm such a donium because I PS Global. May say, I miss me a boot my debut for Acatesia. Now, so your mammy because a petuba in the baby, who is you see who papa? Me who could dream my bottom who name I am memory. My sure papa, we see who. Let us see.
Over only me. Of what my joy, but the song I did. Ghana, I can say, I mean, you're 24, the Amudi, green dear grow. Then, okay, same way, they am far. So the Sana Ghana Pelibia be this one ambe dianka yepe. And so ya makano with the yefa in into form. And open America. Ghana be
yo.
You finish from the no 9 no 10.
Okay.
Me
da se pa hello Majo.
Hello,
Senior, did you be a free?
Oh, for senior, I think we can.
Me da se maminti we am last call na me dem nti.
Kaka me kan dey. Nsem bi atete. Nti se President Mahama ya aboa ma wa ba. O finance fom. After metimi wura ho. De nkola nam nsudo no wo ko school. Ghana by this time. Oh yeah.
Yo.
O man paying to pay loan. No about me o say me the party because me cycle loan. E you scan ada bi o.
Yate.
Nti say adwuma.
Yate.
Na adwuma wo be no on tua loan nika. What am the party?
Ya da say.
Nti nsem ya tete.
Mate, yate.
Mahama on finance fo.
Me da se bebre say won so baye. Afrefo no mrenti yetumi mfabum no ye da ye ho sema ye ba. Ye de aye nkrato. Anase aye nkabo ebetwam tew ye ba na paka gate. Atna se de akroma agropama so nsem no atoa so e de amaye.
Aranata. Everybody. Run. So people. Everybody. Yes, Christo. Asema wasachra. So people. Everybody. Yes, Christo, asema wasachra. Maranatha, 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 yemerade.
Wei eye enkaipo. DJ Afiba awoye adwuma wo DLFM 106.9 one eye dakon abusuan nyinada etonsa e de afraga na de hye nyina se wono mankasa omodopa ne den e de prince yawo ofei dakon dodo na efre no eye apofen odaya wansore wada nensa benkum esom na owura ne den de prince yawo ofei dakon dodo abonum na ne se apofen onyamfinhia no makon aduanan enum eye 45 years na eye hu hyehyeye ne didi suyi na siripe ebetodwa ewo efiada ogefo abosome ne da etoso aduonu enwotwe emfimpim mienu ene aduonu enumu ewo eye La Paz New Market eno no eben eye Cosmos eye School Park na eye na eye hu esomo no hyehyeye no so ebetodwa ewo eye memenda eye match bosome ne da edikan emfimpim mienu ene aduonu enumu eno so bekwaso ewo La Paz New Market Cosmos eye School Park no honom ene eye no embefo betena se ne wonom anom omode hye eye Prince yaw ofe dodo na ebonom la ne se eye apofin omanom ne sikasam na eye na mu no maden apagya e de akopie mu ewo ye tutu akuapem amusie ye ebomaden akon akope wini ebe mai eye krabia na eye na asesom ena afenso na kwankwaja som edi awie nso ebetodwa ewo ye kwesiada match bosom no ne da etoso eye mienu emfempem mienu ene aduonu enumu ewo La Paz New Market eye Cosmos School Park ewo eye emra ye mbomode akọ ansori apon no sano pepe na ye no ebetimi atodwa ewo ye La Paz New Market eye Cosmos School Park ewo no mam enti DJ Afiba ene abusuafo nyina ede adesre ede eto Ghana de hye nyina nim se wanom de hye Prince yaw ofa da Kwadwo amboro na ne se apofin wadane benkum sunti Ghana fo nyina mbejamu efise na chi apai no onyo ono ankasa ena epam efenso wenso efi ye ne ankasa yade nyina Silver Lady na chi apai na ono nso na ye hu hyehyeye no sei enete
Nana Boabe yetna bretu abusua pani a owo bitifi oni abusua nkaye ene Church of Christ asafo a ewo domi abra pesika ene de osuni areho ese ajanfo ni adofo ayiye se wo mo papa wo mo de nyina opani Nicholas efa osafo ade brebre konse do onye mfinhie aduoso abusua hyehyɛ kyerɛ se efieda 14 February obesi na mu ni hope ewo no akasa ni fie a ewo nkɔkɔ domi abra pesika memenda 15 February ahimanachi no 9 fa wode ne batum pamu ama abusua ni adofo abesunu no ne na di nkre twato ebo no nwɔtwe ne fa Church of Christ ne fa wo domi abra pesika ebeye wufu suma ma no ansa no de na akɔkɔ pra so asieye akɔpɛ ne krabre wo frɛsie ya obetena so Church of Christ asafo n'anim hɔ a na wano na yi on ho sikasa ade akyi ne kwasie da so a obekɔ na ase asɔre ɛwɔ Church of Christ domi abra pesika ansa na wawie na yi on krakra okrani ogya na kyire ane Madam Agnes Abenacha emma wagye omunyanka woto ani a ento obi anim ene Isaac Kyerɛ Aboagye Italy Samuel Efa Aboagye UK Christiana Safo Aboagye Candy UK Stella Abena Aboagye Odan Benny Sama Dankwa Sweden Enokosei Emmanuel Somua Frank Yadom ene ni nuanom Samuel Ofori ene ni nuanom Mary Ejapoma Ofori Patricia Ejapoma Ofori ene nuanom Daniel Owusu Agyei Canada Abigail Owusu Agyei USA Inshira Mensa dodo no afre ne Silver Lady DLFM Accra abusua se no nim se dance bo se den kra Jemle kukubewu amesi adwiri ba mo wu akoye kontonkro wida mansan ko mu die enya dan a obi abefro nanso krochua mansan Nicholas efa osafo owo ya yentam dodo na fuo mumu ye mo dami fadie
we ne ye begina eyenka eboyi so na omadwuma kese bo ensa susa numle ne gina hanom din nyina ede asi kese bo no musemufo eye maze mebel entry nsm mu ede emayen kofite de ekopie mu ewo Facebook no eso enanu menu ebesoma nimre no edi amegye so eye takwade Kwadwo krom twebe wo de hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes so na paka GH watenase na akopamaso nsamno de atoaso ede makisa vire ni kwaso na DLFM 106.9 mu nyina mo enitia adehye
DL Power Sports emuade ejawom DL Power Sports emuade ejawom dadel DL Power Sports emuade ejawom dadel DL Power Sports emuade ejawom dadel
Abusiana yume mayansama wadron ensama wakwaba emfambra enkrampumpuni mantem ajiatum kasafidie kase ba ko pesodie ohane isia echiripo enkron ena dwada yumeremre du sa gudie mumrante yesin kunya na gudie mu ahodo a yakwakope ede abresemufo wagibre wasemu kroje wajiatum se editie se wote edi hwe se ohwe na yenso no edi kase yeka ne yatena se na nyumre ya yede ebabesumo Ghana gudie mu nsemo a ebibrem de wa ena broni cross wa mano ne nyina kan obi a yatena se yede babesumo yaturidi DL Power Sports nti abusia ba bibia obi a yema wadwo ema okwaba ene yentena ne yemfa nsem no entumi emfa ma mesumo abusia na nyumre ma memfa sida kese ema Lumba ensupa na enewe piem awo Ghana insu abaye de ema obi agye atum se eye kama eye kroje na mute no enoa eni Lumba ensupa na asoya omoye nhwehwemu ede fa ne yakoye ni peduem se ne yedi se ne yenom no omagye atum se nsuo papa ewo Ghana ha ese obi anom no eye Lumba ensupa enti babibia obi ananwumre wutiem a Lumba ensupa na mekanfo de ama wefiefiem monfa bi engumu fridges mu na mombobo enu achi nso no mo amotonton so traffic mu for cars amu deliver nso na provision stores ene depot ahodo amoton so mu nyina no Lumba ensupa no na monfa na monton na bibia enye kama emfa ma dwumadie bia wudi bia no fa Lumba ensupa no efa serve wa wo na omo benom na ye omo de a omo kombe yiska e de aboa dwumadie no enso ewo Lumba ensupa no de eno ana obi akanfo say kama ede enti pebie na nom na fa bidi udwuma na bibia nso enye fine enye kama emfama na mo amwo danso ma ne mpatem de o say mati asem de esanse Madam Abanyameche ene oye distributor oben eye Lumba Sport no ewo Apietus Lane ewo danso man ene ne mpatem obetumi afre Madam Abanyameche ewo 0557 349 401 0557 349 401 eno mo dance man ene ne mpatem na Lumba nsupa no pe bia to a obepiem DLFM yanso ya Enquires agbogwa janhye ne Wisconsin International University no ena edi animhwe oban yanso ya wa obenya bi enso ato na bibia e fine e dia ba bia obi a opebi edi udwuma bia friend numbers we na mpenifo di bibegu hyenmo na oma beyi e dia ma 0555 274757 ana 0577475343 eno eye Lumba nsupo mu kitayimo ema enanyumre aguri mu nsam no yede eba asira kese enkoma kwame afum otayechire yede nsam no eba sanso na kofitela area to Facebook DLFM 106.9 okwa obenya bi ahwe YouTube nso no DLFM 106.9 awonso okwa obenya bi ahwe enso wo miamede nsam no abra onanyumre di ameje so no ayensu ano de hye apakanjih the blazer kinyenti we ba yebehye nsam na se ede amao
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti kagagru
Abusia na nwumre yansha nsam na se amfamare yansha se amfam fifie yewia na ye de broni kroso nsam na ede atoa so de amaria yansha se amfam fi Ghana National Weight Lifting Federation omo akache na upiem omo akache ande omo announce say omo commission a renovated National Weight Lifting Training Center ewo Accra Sports Stadium na ukwada edi enimu no on the 12th day of February 2025 and omo commission renovated National Weight Lifting Training Center omaya ne kama ewo Accra Sports Stadium na ewia no mienu 2 pm ken na sa renovation no omaya no ne commission no etumi ebaso na Honorable Jerry Ahmed Shaib Esquire and the honor and president at the Ghana Weight Lifting Federation. Honor no president at the Ghana Weight Lifting Federation. Honor and ODNM Emasa commissioning to me akoso kama yabo enkomo at the actual Honorable Sports Minister and Recreation. Your friend Honorable Idi Kofi Adams na ena one office on a Ghana Football Association penny for Asia a meeting. Na omo hwe kwan omo befa so na security ewo yen stadium awodoro ebetumi ejira ne na so enu achi nso no Ghana football na nkasa no ne kanko ni yeyo eni ni yedie nso no omo ye inhiemu no omo dwendwen ho enso so wo a yabo ehon komo ede achiro na Honorable Idi Kofi Adams ende oye Minister of Sports and Recreation oni yen sister station Asempa FM edi enkomo ene na maestro nini din komo no ena Honorable Kofi Adams edi etu ne ni chiwa ne obepiem o Ghana yen football no asai yen sports asai atiti apansam na Ghana na de ba kwa ye ne se ase ye de yen sika no ene omani sika ye nyanyina no ede ehye football no na football no kra no akwa ye blasters na enti se nyama nkoye emfama blasters na asone ababeso other sports no so enti osi mrewedu say yen sports na yadane ni football ne blasters ye jai na other sports no so no ye discussion na nyama ekoye edema o minus sports no.
Well, our sports is sick. That's the truth. Well, because ye the Bibia, ye the whole DNA and Sika, and the Aquaco share football, even in football, cry a senior national team. And this Ono Yaresa na campus nina football says ya away yenya trophy bia medal bia infi hono the other sports ya na equal me can say well our sports is sick. That's the truth.
Honorable Idi Kofi Adams and the Oya Sports and Recreation Minister and wetumi atenenka enso so wono Desmond Ofe a newly appointed Black Stars assistant coach na wakasa osi onya kwenya abeka Black Stars technical team no eya nwawa kese pa edema no essence opportunity we enye easy say obenya nti wenya so opportunity we no eya nwawa kese edema no osi na adwuma pa ne so obeboa coach Otuado na omaye adwuma na Black Stars no etimi afa ne ntoma pefra osi ne Black Stars technical team ye wo no ohwe ene nyama deda na kwemesa ne say experience no ewosoro na ohwe setup na emuodin essence wo experience technical director be ti say Winfred Shefa chese bibia edidadin enti according to Desmond of no osi ya nwa de ba no say Black Stars technical team wa be conference no technical team and they abey bibia deda na kwem.
Yeah, I mean, being part of the technical team of the A national team is a privilege. Very honored to be given the opportunity. I think my role is to make sure that I assist the head coach as best as I can. Being part of the technical team is going to be an experience for me personally. I feel like the setup looks really, really strong. With a very experienced technical advisor in the name of Shefa. So, Winfried Shefa. So,
Desmond of a newly appointed Black Stars assistant coach and Watson and cannot one Samsono and a Desmond of the two just a new technical team na Abano. Omu adwuma ye papa sanse national team no enyama nhyeda Enquires and to Obabano eso mu ye adwuma den na national team no esa efa ne ntoma pa efrabiem na otwane samso no oditu dwa echima o say ne technical team na abano omu ye hungry for success na omu ye hungry so mbe make sure say Black Stars no ebetimi a qualify for 2026 World Cup or Canada, Mexico and USA.
We have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do, but I think we're in a good position to qualify the team to the World Cup, and everybody's hungry. Everybody's really hungry, and we have a new, head of video analysis. We have a psychologist or sports mental coach, as you want to call it. So I feel like everybody's hungry to make sure that we qualify to the World Cup.
Desmond of a new assistant coach. Yedinaba Black Stars and the other Sansam no Ede Atuja Yede Amao na wero eye wanim sam esanse na otwe atwam na nana pole kotokwachita kese omoko wone sekan ewo nsuatre ekoku abranti yaya na endra kumasi asante kotoko organize vigil de kai abranti na yarehuye pa wo kumase baba yara stadium so candles ahodo de nantie de bo abrantie no enkai ni ade na after vigil no na lawyer Safuduku and the new communications director Edema Santikot Kochima obi bi oba bia no omodamase omamfa enka abona mambo ntentem kra na omamfa mantempo nsatwafo mo bon wudewuro na Ghana force mobile obi oba bia omodamase na nka omo bon kan ntem kra ko ogide se nipa no beba chinse na mom nipa no dodo na bai abranti efe na napole ne saman ewo ba bia na ni beje se anyanye kro free mu no kotoko entu na jejemu ya omode omnan esifama bibie sombe bia obenya atentrene no obenya
as you for witness I can boldly say that it's one of the biggest developments in recent times that we have witnessed in the country, and I commend the football family and the general public for that, considering the short notice that we put out there. I strongly believe that if we are given even a 3-day notice would have been a different story. This fine. We are telling the general public that in the whole world that even though we have lost a brother, we think that from what we have seen today, his spirit is still with us.
Lawyer Safuduku Tuane Samson Orituja said ne Kumasi Asante Kotokofo no ene obi bia Ghana atentrene ene yepe enti omo edisa nyambrasem edisa wudie no kwambia so ese mra no so no mukabo na emra no ene omudi na ene no se nipa na diboni bi se ya esi so fa ne wudi enti omo de atentrene ene omo pe no ombewo police fo abaso se asemu ibaye omo ntindaye omaya ne intentem nipa be nsia omeso mumu a omobua nhwehwemu enti omode omobo police fo na baso na kwambia so no omogye omodi se adwuma no mbetuma ye enti omonkoso anya adwuma den na womo a edi se wudie we no omunso mumu na mra no ene omundi.
Indeed, the message delivered by my IMC chairman, Sammy Adwoa, he hammered on the fact that all of us are also interested in ensuring that justice is served, and is served swiftly. They say justice delayed is justice denied. I can tell you that the Ghana Police Service especially has so far demonstrated that they've attached so much seriousness into this matter, looking at the swift manner with which some 7 or 6 persons have been arrested, and the assurance that they will keep on chasing whoever is involved. I think you should all have trust and hope in the Ghana Police Service to deliver.
Lawyer Safu Duku, Communications Director, Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na watenenka na Kotoko akwa kopiemo ewo ende no kukuom na eho ena yenua Nana Pole efi enti omakopiem ewo kukuom manhene asoye Kumasi Asante Kotoko management ene Nana Pole na busuafo no omako akwakobo kukuom manhene omakobo na manese nana odeshia obepiemu ewo Kumase a no som Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ene nipa bonifo bi akwakogene nkwa edi afi nensam enti officially Kotoko management no akwakobo kukuomu mahene a yefren osahene Nana Kwaku Atachi a otosumi no makobo na mane ema ne omokobo na mane wie nana ama okwanse medeshia no ne na otweda mu betumi edi ena His Royal Majesty otumfo se tutu Asante ene nso amakwan se Kotoko ebetumi edi Nana Pole ne na otweda no enti kwasiada edi anim no February ne bosome de to so dunsia afimpi mie no ene aduonu no wo Kumasi Heroes Park anopa no nsia kosi anwumre no nsia no ena Nana Pole na otweda no yedi ensoso wa yede wonsam de ma na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene hato folk aka bom de nkrata ababonti se enam ne asi nti no ese GFR de nyama bi ede tutu akwemu omo se gbadegbe commission no omo mfanya adwuma eno achi number of police personnel yede ko category A and B matches no say at least 100 eno achi so no omo sisi yebo game na ye hwe na game no category B match na attention be wosura yemfa 20 military men emfa nko no mkoboban eno achi security men yede ko yen stadium awodo no ye make sure say baby ayebobo no yemfa mfi ye be fa fi baby no ma be boban enso ewo na security cameras ye install ewo venue say ebo league matches no na ene no ye make sure say bibia ebetoto na akwam enso ewo enyama omode abane de omabobọ so bebrebre nti yesi eboso a adebeche na omosi animanima ya no GFA omode ade we to ani make sure say obe ose league no ya organize no autonomous enti yenje league no emfi GFA nsem na ekuo foforo organize league no na omosi GFA no say yebehye league biase a ese mu make sure say VAT ne ade na aban na ejena money aban be kasa na sa VAT no omatwam ne ye league matches na kakra na clubs ne benya no ebetumi aba mo nchen na omosi ye be league GFA moma Kotoko ne has ehu matches amubeyi aye omo matches eni sika bi ebepiem bia no mu make sure say has ene Kotoko ebetumi enya kese ezanzo omo no mo ye teams a eso wo Ghana ne krakra mo no Kotoko ne has GFA automatically GFA esco ne so ese has ne Kotoko nya slot wo wa eno enya battle sembia Kotoko ne has automatic slot afi bia GFA esco ne so ese Kotoko ene has etumi nya slot wo so na krata we ababonte no Nana apinkra akwasi ewua a oye IMC chairman ene Kotoko ne nsa hye krata na se ena togbe afede the 14th board chairman ede ma house folk ne nsa hye krata na se enti krata na nya krata ketwa eye kukudam ne apemufo ena o nsa hye krata na se ade we ache mada ache yaka kire se has ene Kotoko monsore na afe no manyane o masore enti ya mo mabazo se o mada afe di o manyane a o me se eso mo de o nansi fam na o mo ya nyama ye ewo krodium a Women's Premier League na o match day 11 games eba so Now result say the kokoye was Saudi zone Epiphany Warriors 2 Halifax Queens 2 into Epiphany Warriors and Halifax Queens omokotie obi a chene yonko e kam yenu Jonina ladies eshe kane enine Berry ladies etimu bako Hazakes ladies 2 Soccer Intellectual 0 Ladies Strikers 1 Faith ladies 1 and Army ladies 0 Police ladies and so 0 and so Kofi Taylor ya jumane famame Northern Zone and so no say na kokoye Kumasi Sports Academy 1 FC Savannah 0 Tell the Super Ladies 4 Supreme Ladies 1 Northern Ladies 0 and Pemdakwan 0 Prison Ladies 2 Sunshine Ladies 1 and Fusu Royal Ladies 1 Dreams Ladies and so 1 Yedin Semana Diamao Division 1 League Match Day 16 Zone 1A Tamale City 0 Wa Power 0 Yape FC 1 Royal Tamale United 4 Wa Solenante 1 Victory Club Warriors 2 Wale Catholic Stars 2 Northern City 4 and so Zone 1B Match Day 16 result Wamanafo Mighty Royals 0 Bofo Kwatano 0 Nasa game way Wanamafo Mighty Royals share Bofo for Omo bro omo bruta na se tutura semane de menye ni se be fi football num se GF no manye bibia fa wa envi mu da na otwe ya na yeku obi na otwe nso no Wamanafo Mighty Royals asa akobo bofo na eya rewosem DBB United 1 Bofo Akwa na Doma Unity 0 DBB 1 Doma Unity 0 KSC Soccer Academy 2 Techiman Heroes 0 Techiman 11 Wonders 0 Techiman Liberty Youth and so 0 Zone 2 Match Day 16 Division 1 King Faisal 2 Nzimakot 1 Second Heroes Park 1 Future Stars 0 Bekwa Heroes 1 New Edbiase 0 Mysterious Abusuado 0 Park Academy 1 Sky FC 0 KS Soccer Intellectual 0 and Asekem FC 0 UCC Youngsters 2 Seshi Air All Stars 4 Elimina Sharks 0 and Swedro All Blacks 4 Second 11 0 Swedro All Blacks in the idea Henry Asante Chum and then Enquires no Nathaniel Obenum Omudi team no baba back to Ghana Premier League as omu bro bia e zone 2 enti Swedro All Blacks ni idea Omeba Ghana Premier League no enso wona otwe omochi second 11 wise ebo meka polepole na ya omo entumi ante enso zone 3 no say na kokoyeye Atram Divisa 1 Port City 0 Golden Kicks 6 na God 1 FC Nania 1 Kotuku Royals 2 Rainmasters 0 True Democracy 1 Koforia Sempefi 2 Interlice 1 Kings Palace FC 1 Great Olympics 1 Home Stars 1 Oko United 0 and Huawei United 3 Akachi All Stars and so 2 or yeah they want somebody ama DJ Hitman aba enti ye ne asore so de akakra bi Brony Cross wa manone na watching and na Super Bowl 2025 finals no etodwa na between Philadelphia Eagles and Kansas City Chiefs na area chile no na Philadelphia Eagles etumi winning by 40 as against Kansas City almost scored 22 and so enti no ka say Philadelphia Eagles and omo champions of the Super Bowl 2025 yari awon some ede amount and matches be ebeto so ana ebetodwa Europe na Senate was Spanish La Liga no ebo no twan Real Mallorca and Osasuna bebo Inter Milan and Fiorentina bebo 7:45 and FA Cup round 4 game no ebo 7:45 Doncaster Rovers and Crystal Palace ede bebo nia ye de won somebody ba nyame adwo kira UEFA Champions League knockout stage no games ebeba so 5:45 no Brest and Paris Saint-Germain ebebo and 8 p.m. Juventus and PSV Eindhoven ebebo Manchester City and Real Madrid ebebo na fenso Sporting CP and Borussia Dortmund ede abweni eso wa yede enwensam ede esomo ewodwedi enso na sa game na eba so no and Pep Guardiola Man City or manager also win game no ochina against Real Madrid ebe big boost ede amount for the rest of the season so mbe renew ochina no matter so akwakoyi Real Madrid ede film ewo Santiago Bernabeu ebe boy pa na this season no ejinjom motivation na omo de ewra season no na bibia akonka de amount no ochina game na Real Madrid ewremu wetiat akobo no players amba be bodi omepra omuntumi embo Dani Kavaya ontumi mbo Eda Militao to Mimbo, David Alaba to Mimbo, Antonio Rudiger to Mimbo, and Lucas Vasquez on also watching on to me Embo game ni be. Real Madrid players and Babe Bomudin, near Obeji yellow card or Chano, second leg on to me Bobby, was Santiago Benabao, Jude Bellingham, Eduardo Camavinga, Aurelien Chouameni, Luka Modric, and Endrick. Eduardo Camavinga, the yet danya. Obeji yellow card pay. Esas or Pempo Bruta into Ochina Madrid for the moon to Eduardo Camavinga for na Bibianso and your fine na João Felix Portugal Brantia in the or Botchers in Emo Bolon Edema AC Milan Italy na Branti Oko AC Milan on board by 3 matches cry and the young dance for branches Chelsea for or Kama Maswati or no why or my Chelsea Bimo or Bolon Ivia or Pesa Otna AC Milan no ball. Essence and Nancy Oko AC Milano, Nanijia Geno, a chance of better Chelsea into Chelsea for say I'm argues or Bolon Evi, now about the Montu Magrimunda, or Yan argues or Bolon Ivia, or Beba Chelsea net, Abba Chelsea or China winning some João Felix Edia Tuja, say or Pesa Otna Bobukwa, ye Freno AC Milan, na Obonoboa, ye de I want some of the Amabusia, and Medena young fancy, na DJ Hitman, and Fa Wosono. Emetwa so emfama Isa Omutuezi wa Shaiman Washington osi wutie enanwure ma mincha me amebra penny Mr. Kofi Ayenu ewa yensu anu so wate wutie mincha one wife sister Mary and so Kwame Afum ebo ye chidom ema yede nsam ne ba aseda eye ne de sanso ana Kofitela ede yenko Facebook ani YouTube ema onye bi hwe aseda eye ne de amoamo hwe ewo social media nyina ne yeda mase me amede nsam ne ba yedi ameje so no ayensu ano de share Upper Kanjich the Blazer King Sammy the DJ Hitman take over no the Mondays edition of our so no ababeto so edi amamu yakra